Hello everyone, and welcome back to Go English channel. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Ben. Great to see you all again. So, Lisa, are you hungry?
Always, Ben, because today's topic is English at the restaurant.
Perfect. We're going to learn how to order food, talk to the waiter, and ask for the bill.
Exactly. Let's imagine we're at a restaurant together.
Sure. I'll be the waiter first. Good evening. May I take your order?
Yes, please. I'd like a chicken sandwich and a glass of orange juice.
Nice. You used "I'd like." That's a polite way to ask for food or drinks.
Right. Instead of saying I want, say I'd like. It sounds friendlier.
Okay, now you be the waiter, Lisa.
All right. Good evening, sir. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like some pasta and a cup of coffee, please.
Great! You also added please. Always important at a restaurant.
Let's teach another useful phrase. Could I have?
Oh, yes. For example, could I have some water, please? It's also polite and common.
So, phrase 1, I'd like.
Phrase 2, could I have?
And phrase 3, can I get the bill, please? That's how you ask to pay.
Exactly. In the UK, people also say, can I have the check in the US, but bill in the UK.
Right. Small difference, but useful to know.
Let's try a mini role play, Ben.
Okay.
Good evening. What would you like to order?
I'd like a pizza with extra cheese and a lemonade, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll bring your food soon.
Delicious.
You're such a good actor, Ben.
I try my best.
Let's do a quick review.
Today we learned 3 important phrases for the restaurant.
I'd like, could I have, and can I get the bill, please?
Remember to be polite. Always say please and thank you.
And practice with a friend. Pretend you're in a restaurant.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.
And tell us, what is your favorite food to order in a restaurant?
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.